Select these values. Click on Insert tab, then click on Column, then double click on this chart. Go to the Change Chart Type, click on Combo, select Series 2 as a secondary axis, then click OK. Then I format this chart. First of all, I give the chart title Revenue and Revenue Percentage. Then I format this text, select all, change the font type Calibri, then change the text color discolor. After that, I remove these horizontal lines. I cannot remove secondary axis, but I can hide this secondary axis. Select vertical axis. Then I select text color white color. After that, select vertical axis values, change the font type Calibri and change the text color discolor. Select horizontal axis, change the font type Calibri and change the text color discolor. Similarly, select legends, change the font type Calibri and change the text color discolor. I rename series name. So right click, click on select data, select this series, click on edit. Series 1 shows revenue value, so type here revenue, click OK. Then select series 2, click on edit. Series 2 shows revenue percentage values, click OK. Then I format column and lines. First select these columns, select solid fill. I change the column colors discolor. Then I select line, click on solid line, then change the line color discolor. Also select smooth line, then click format, select no outline, then drag and drop at this position. Copy this chart and paste in the dashboard. First of all, decrease the width of this column up to 10 pixels. Then drag and drop at this position. Then decrease the width of this column or this chart. Decrease the width of this column up to 15 pixels. Similarly, I increase the width of this column up to 15 pixels. Now I add here line chart. Increase the height. Select calculations one sheet. Select the values. Click on line chart. Give title to this chart. Quantity. Remove the horizontal lines, then format the chart title, select font type Calibri and change the text color discolor. Then select these vertical values, change the text color discolor, change the font type calibri and text color discolor. Then I format this line, double click, change the line color, discolor, then select smooth line, then click on marker, go to the marker options, select built-in, select type and increase the size of type up to 18. Then select no fill marker, or I can select white color, then select the outline color of markers, solid line, select this color, increase the outline width, then copy this chart and paste in the dashboard, resize, so almost this dashboard is completed. In the next video, I create here drop down list. That drop down list will be connected to the data source. So by selecting any month from the list, all the data in this dashboard will be changed.